Today we're going to be talking about the Wi-Fi plug. It's a new product. It's a normal USB charger plug that works as a charger. What you need to do is first plug it into any normal power outlet. And like I say, once plugged in, you can charge like a normal phone off it or anything else that runs off a USB. Once plugged in, what you do is actually find the device on the Wi-Fi with your phone. Then using the app that we provide to you on either iOS or Android, you add the camera to the application. Once that's done, you can then link it to your Wi-Fi, and then from that point you can access the camera from anywhere. If you're out, as long as you've got internet connection, you can actually view live what the camera's seeing at that point. So in the app, what you can actually do is you can have alarm notifications switched on so that when anyone enters the room, it'll actually start recording to the internal memory. But it'll also notify your mobile phone as well. Obviously at that point you can log in and view the footage live, but if you can't, then it'll actually start recording, and then you'll be able to later on review the footage. To do this, you just open the app and then click on the time of the footage that you want to view, and that'll start streaming directly to your phone. If that footage is of any use to you, then you can download it and keep it for later. Or if not, then it'll actually be written over later on. So basically, when the SD card fills up, then the oldest footage will be deleted first, or once it's full. In addition to the device's internal memory, you can also record or take a snapshot directly to your smartphone when you're watching the footage live. The buttons just underneath the live view allow you to do this. Check out our website for more details on this item and many other products.